lift up your eyes higher. Look all around you and believe, for your sons are returning from far away, and your daughters are being tenderly carried home. Watch as they all gather together, eager to come back to you. That's from the book of Isaiah, chapter 60, verse 4. I'm Brian Simmons, the lead translator of the Passion Translation, and I'm so excited about the book of Isaiah. Isaiah is a masterpiece. The prophet Isaiah was royalty. He was nephew to King Uzziah. He had access in and out of the palace. He was a very known figure. He was married. He had 2 children. His wife was a prophetess. The book of Isaiah is full of insights about the man Isaiah, but its theme is the glory of God. It brings us into the throne room. I love Isaiah because it stirs my heart. Did you know that Isaiah prophesied 700 years before the Romans invented crucifixion? He prophesied in Isaiah chapter 53 that Yeshua, the Savior, Messiah, would be crucified with his hands and his feet pierced. Amazing prophetic insight. None of us know what's going to happen tomorrow. Isaiah saw 700 years in the future and tells us in chapter 53, as though he's looking right up at the cross of Jesus, telling us what he sees. Fascinating insights are waiting for you in the book of Isaiah.